Hello everybody and welcome back to HotCuppaCrypto. My name is Jordan. Today we are going to be talking about Aptos. In this very quick video, we are doing a brief kind of, rundown about, like all of the information about this. I just want to put this on your guys' radar because it came up quite quickly, but this is a actually massive, potential long-term project, like a brand new layer 1 blockchain, literally to compete with the likes of Cardano, Solana and Ethereum. This is actually going to be a new competitor, and it is already ranked 5th in coin market cap. So we are going to check out why is it already ranked so high, and just a quick summary in this video, guys. So if you love new projects and new DeFi protocols and cryptocurrency news and new projects before they are released, then subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications, guys. I started this channel because I'm passionate about cryptocurrency and I absolutely believe in the future of crypto. And this is one of those projects, like, this doesn't happen very often, but it happens very rarely, where a project launches and it does have a huge potential to actually still be here in many years and even be the new infrastructure for crypto in the future. That is absolutely crazy. Now, of course, guys, it can also be a complete failure. This could be the worst crypto in human history, right? And it could go to zero. That is the polarity of crypto here, but let's just delve into it. Enough rambling and waffling. But guys, also, while we are here, thank you so much for the support in all of the previous videos. It is amazing and the channel is growing, so thank you so much for the wonderful support here on HotCuppaCrypto. And if you guys want to join us, feel free. But guys, this is essentially what it is, right? It is a new layer 1 blockchain. It has just launched like today or yesterday, I think, and this is actually the chart here on Binance. You can see there was obviously this huge pump at launch where it pumped up, came back down, lots of people lost money. You must never invest in a project like this at launch. It's the fastest way to lose money, right? The bots pumped up the price and then dumped down. But this is what we actually always see on launches. On launches of even the most successful cryptos, guys. This happened with Solana, this happened with Cardano, it happened with all of the cryptos when they were all of the best cryptos now when they were released. So keep that in mind. It doesn't mean this crypto is a failure. It means that this crypto is here for the long term and potentially has a future. Now, we're going to go over a few things. This is their website. So obviously Binance announced that they were going to list this a few days ago. It was quite actually a sudden, and all of the other exchanges obviously are looking at it. And there is lots of news here. Like, there is controversial stuff about when it launched. Aptos crashing 45% on the first day of trading. Aptos token launches to a major dump. Aptos revealing their tokenomics of their coin just only one day before it came out. So a lot of people weren't happy about that, but ultimately, I don't want this to be a long video, guys. So in the future, we're going to delve more into Aptos, and we are going to be looking at Sui, another brand new layer 1 competitor, potentially with a lower market cap in the future videos. But this did launch with a huge market cap. Just look at this. It is actually 1 billion right now. It just went back over 1 billion. So, but it launched, I believe, with a 2 billion market cap, right? So, it has already lost 50% of its value since launch, which is obviously predictable because, the early investors and the people who invested in this project in the token sale obviously wanted to make their profits and sell their tokens for profits, which is fine. I just saw this comment, by the way, APT, I lost, which is the name of the token. So the Aptos token is APT here, right? Already ranked 51 in coin market cap, which is crazy. APT, I just lost $537 in just 40 seconds. I invested my whole tuition fee on APT. My father is going to kill me, guys. This is hilarious. Like, this is why you got to be so careful with crypto. It's absolutely crazy. Obviously, Binance announcing about Aptos here. But yeah, basically, if you look on the top ranking of cryptos, this has already started at number 50. The reason it is already so high is because, like I said, upon launch, it had lots and lots of early investors before this project released, because this is actually backed by, guys, loads of companies, VCs, and so this is not just a small crypto project. This is a huge long-term venture capital backed project, right? So it's backed by the richest investors and all of that. So it does have a huge tech team behind it, and they are looking to innovate to make a faster, and more secure blockchain. So it's going to be interesting to see if it does turn out to be better than Cardano, better than Solana, and better than Ethereum, and even better than, BNB, Polygon, Polkadot, and all of these other ones. They want to try and beat it. Obviously, Polkadot is in a separate category altogether. However, this is their website, committed to developing products and applications on the Aptos blockchain that redefine Web3 and the user experience, right? So our team is accomplished technical experts dedicated to creating better network tooling and seamless usability to bring the benefits of decentralization to the masses. So let's actually check out their team here. Who is behind this, right? Who is behind this? Aptos Labs are the organization that created this, and this is the Aptos Labs team. If it ever wants to load. And then there's Aptos Foundation here, which also is interesting. What is that? So Aptos Foundation, designed for the people, engineered to evolve, right? Layer 1 blockchain created for safe development and built with the user experience as a core focus. So they want to make the user experience, I think, on dApps, decentralized apps, easier, you know, for users, right? Because at the moment it's quite complicated to get into crypto. A home for the, well, for most, you know, regular non-tech savvy users. So a home for the world's most innovative developers, future-proof network, they're saying here, with a unique combination of safety, user experience, upgradability and performance. The Aptos infrastructure and its Move programming language empower developers to build Web3 applications that solve today's consumer needs on a network that can evolve for anything to come, right? So simplified language. Okay, so it's designed for smart contracts, the Move programming language. So they're using Move, right? There's Solidity and there's all these other ones, but this is Move programming language, empowering developers to create applications simply, securely and swiftly, developing tests and proven over the years of research. It's for safety, flexibility, performance of the Aptos blockchain, making Aptos the best place to deploy Move-based applications. Okay, cool. So it's showing how it would affect Move-based applications. Okay, so I think Move is the programming language, right? And then there will be applications built on top of that particular coding language. So that's what's interesting, because each blockchain it has a different coding language. We have Ethereum. I forgot what it uses actually. It's pretty bad. I usually know this, but I forgot. I think it's Solidity, but I might be wrong. And then Cardano has a complete different coding language that it uses, and so do a lot of the layer 1 blockchains, like Elrond, for example. However, this has its own one using Move. Upgradability, performance, user experience. So yeah, you guys can check this out, of course, in your own time. I just wanted to bring it to your attention, guys. And then we do have the Aptos tokenomics here, which was very controversial. A lot of people went crazy about this, saying, look, this is unfair. A lot of the early investors and founders, of course, have most of the tokens, which is expected in a project like this. It's actually the same with Solana as well, guys, right? Solana is awful in terms of tokenomics. But versus Cardano, right? So Cardano is an example of a great tokenomics, fairly distributed slowly and progressively over time to everyone, right? To all of the users in a fair manner, and to all of the nodes, the validators and delegators, because it is a proof of stake blockchain, whereas some can be very unfair from the start. Aptos does strike me as one of them. But the point of this here is, guys, this does have and could have the potential, right, to actually be like a 10x or maybe even a 100x gem during the next bull run. Just don't rush into this potentially dollar cost average slowly over time. That is a interesting and useful strategy. So here's the team members here. Mo Shakij and Avery Ching. I'm not sure if I'm saying their names correctly. However, they created Atmos to fulfill the vision of bringing fair access to decentralization through a safe, upgradable and scalable blockchain network. So interesting. So that's the team members. So the team members are out public docs. So this is a real project, huge, long term. I know they've been developing this for a long time. But I don't know much more about that, guys. Like I said, I have only just done a very small bit of preliminary research into this project yet, so I do not know the absolute deep in depths about the tokenomics and the information about this project, and I am going to deliver it to you guys in the future once I have found out more information. So subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications, and guys, on the next video soon, one of the next videos, we do have a couple of more new layer 1 protocols that are actually coming out that could compete to be the next 100x gem for the upcoming bull run for cryptocurrency, which is going to be extremely exciting and interesting. So like I say, don't miss out on that and follow us for that. But the price of Aptos is currently $7.66, right, after settling down after its launch today. So we will see how this develops. Like I said, Sui coming up next, which is another one very similar to Aptos. Some people say that it's better, maybe even faster. So we're going to see. And yeah, we're going to continue delivering to you guys epic crypto content right here on HotCuppaCrypto. So thank you guys so much. And thanks for the amazing support here on this channel. My name has been Jordan, and we will see you guys soon in the next videos here on the channel.